We're after the best moments in Thailand. What's your best moment, you would say?
The food so far has been a highlight.
Do you have any advice for the people that are new to Thailand?
You should travel because it's really beautiful, and so you can see the whole world. And
Okay.
yeah.
Do you have any bad experiences?
I put my bag just next to me, and then I talked to somebody, and the next moment my bag was gone.
Hey champs, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of Tag Along with Chai. We are in the south of Thailand in a tropical island called Koh Lanta. In this episode we are trying to find some interesting people to search for some stories. We are after the best moments in Thailand, but also the worst moments in Thailand. Mostly we are approaching foreign tourists and we're gonna ask them what they have learned in Thailand. What we also normally do is ask them for a piece of wisdom, so we're gonna ask that as well to share with the world. And because it's gonna be 2023 coming up, we're after some New Year's resolutions. We are doing also behind the scene with Mayan. She's doing a day of my life, so hopefully that video is ready soon. Anyway, I hope you're excited. Mayan, are you excited?
Yay!
Are you on holiday?
Yes, I'm on holiday.
Yeah, for how long already?
I'm on a holiday for 2 weeks.
Right.
Two and a half weeks. Sorry, 2.5 weeks.
Is that only in Thailand or?
So far only in Thailand.
Yeah.
I started out, I had a week and a bit on Phuket.
Yeah.
And I've been just about a little over a week here now.
Mate, how is it so far?
I love it.
Yeah. This is not your first time, is it?
It's my 4th time to Thailand.
Mate. So we're after basically, let's dive straight into it. We're after the best moments in Thailand. What's your best moment, you would say?
So far,
Yeah.
best moment. Be honest with you, nothing huge. It's just it's just an overall relaxation. That's why I keep coming back here. You just rejuvenate you. You always meet good people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nothing like, if you think hard, like, I mean, I can imagine like the food is good.
Food's amazing.
Yeah. But something that really pops out. Maybe like
There was a cool fire show in front of, I'm staying right down on the water over on the other side of the island.
Yeah.
And there's just a really cool fire show with good music the other night.
Do you remember the bar or the beach?
It was New Coconut. New Coconut Lanta.
We also after, and this may be a bit painful sometimes, can be.
Okay.
The worst moments in Thailand. Did you ever had a bad time here?
I had a bad time years ago. I got robbed. I got robbed in a bank machine by Knife Point.
Okay.
But that was in 2003.
Yeah.
Just one street over from Koh Lanta in Bangkok.
No way. So what happened there then? How did that go?
Well, he told me to give him all my money, and I basically talked him into only taking $200.
Yeah.
Because then I'd be broke. And then when I left the bank machine, I asked the 3 guys that robbed me what they were doing, and I actually went and had a beer with them.
No way.
Yeah.
But then you end up losing money to them, but you...
I gave them $200 and I went out for a beer with them.
Wow. And overall, was it a good experience then? Or
Yeah, I tell you, it makes for a good story.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Well, thanks for sharing that story. It's it's crazy like how things are happening, especially around Khao San area.
But Koh San Road's a whole different. I think I'm going to be avoiding it this trip.
Okay, fair enough. What's your favorite place in Thailand?
Favorite place in Thailand, I gotta say probably Koh Phangan.
Oh yeah.
And partly there because in 2002 I spent New Year's there.
Okay.
And I met my best friend from Canada that met a girl from Australia. He quit his job, sold everything.
Aye.
And they were backpacking through Southeast Asia and making their way to Australia. So I met with them for basically Christmas and New Year's, and it was just a memorable time because it was the only trip that I got to spend with friends here.
Ah, nice. So now you're here alone?
Yeah.
How is it traveling alone as a single man?
Good.
Yeah.
It's all I've ever done. I started traveling in 2001. I didn't want to be like my dad's generation to say, I wish I had traveled young.
Okay.
And it kind of stuck, and I got a job that lets me get away every winter for 2 or 3 months.
Nice one.
So I take away every year.
I'm so happy for you, sir. Do you have some advice maybe for the people that are new to Thailand when they come and visit?
Don't think too far ahead. Just a couple days ahead and let things roll. I think over planning can really take away from you having a good time and running. But like where I'm staying right now, I had 3 nights booked.
Okay.
I'm now on night number 7. And I just booked again for tomorrow night and Christmas night. So I'm gonna, because I met some people at a little place beside where I am.
Okay.
And so I can spend Christmas with some people I've been kind of hanging out with at night.
Good on you. Merry Christmas, sir.
Yeah,
and,
Merry Christmas.
When we produce this, or when we publish this video, it is already Christmas, gone Christmas, probably heading towards New Year's Eve.
Okay.
Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Just to keep things going the same.
Yeah?
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
I love it. Do you have a message to the world?
Just be good to one another.
Yeah.
Be kind.
Matt, thank you so much. Are you on holiday, sir?
Yeah, I'm on holidays, for Christmas holidays.
Christmas holiday, for how long are you in
2
Thailand?
weeks.
Are you is this your first time?
No, it's my maybe 6th or 7th time. So
You loving it?
I quite love Thailand. Yeah.
So then again, we are after the best moments in Thailand. What was your best moment in Thailand?
This year, I mean, or
Not necessarily,
ever.
no, ever. Yeah.
Ever, plenty. I think now, this time I'm in a really, really remote place, and I really enjoy being like really quiet and off the track, and so I'm happy that you can find in Thailand.
Yeah.
If you want busy time, you can have busy time, and quiet, you can have quiet time.
So the remote place, you're saying this is Koh Lanta? Or-
Yeah, in a small beach in Koh Lanta where I live. Yeah.
May I ask where that is?
South, near the national park.
Okay.
It's almost the last beach.
Yeah. Nice. And that feels really cool and calm.
It is wonderful. I'm happy. Yeah.
And the best moment, let's say, or the best thing, or maybe culture, or the beach, or the food, or anything.
For me, it's food.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really enjoy the Thai food, and especially I'm vegetarian, and I always can find some really good and tasty food.
Okay.
So I'm happy each time I come to Thailand. My first thought is about eating something. I can't eat abroad.
Also, we are after the worst things that happened in Thailand. Did anything bad happen?
Sometimes, they don't get rid of the rubbish or whatever, but I think they do their best. So I'm not sure what the worst is now. I can't. There's nothing coming up. No, not really.
You do mention rubbish. For people that never been to Thailand, they can think of Thailand as a dirty country. Do you think
it isn't?
No,
it isn't. No. They can get rid of rubbish where the people are traveling, but sometimes off the track you see that it's quite difficult to deal with. But it's okay. I think I visited worse countries where they really have no idea about environment. So they are taking care.
Hey, do you have any advice for the people that are new to Thailand?
Just relax, and I think you can trust Thai people, and it's really easy traveling there. So it's why I choose this year to come here and not to India, where it's much more difficult to travel and tiring. And here, it's so easygoing life.
Very peaceful here.
Yeah, I love it. It's your first time?
No, we've been here a few times. I'm just a big Thailand lover myself.
Okay.
But no, we're seeking not only wisdom from the locals, but also from foreign tourists. And I'm glad you're stopping. I've got a few more questions actually.
Okay.
Normally we finish with a message to the world, but let me ask first, because it's going to be New Year soon.
Yeah.
Is there any New Year's resolutions you have?
Yeah, maybe worry less and just take things how they happen and how they come. Yeah.
Okay. You have a message to the world?
Do the same. Try to do the same. Yeah.
Okay.
That's great.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Is this your first time in Thailand?
Yes.
Yeah. How is your experience so far? And what's your best moment? We are after the best moments in Thailand.
What was our best
It was a
moment?
birthday yesterday.
Oh yeah! Happy birthday!
Thank
Wow.
We celebrated in Phuket,
Yeah.
and that was
beautiful.
very fun.
Yeah. How are the parties in Phuket?
Really nice.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very amazing.
Where did you
night.
go? Where in Phuket did you stay?
At the old town, in the old town.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then we celebrated my birthday at Patong Beach.
Ah.
So on the other side.
Okay. So that was your best experience in Thailand, you would say, or
The
what?
evening was really beautiful.
Yeah, the evening was very nice.
There was a beautiful sunset. So
Yeah.
it was the sunset.
So Okay,
But
Luz.
here it's very beautiful too because it's so quiet and we've got like our own apartment. Before we just were like hopping from hostel to hostel in dorms, sleeping. Now we've got like private room and area and stuff. It's
Yeah.
like
Okay. The best thing.
Christmas is very, very nice.
Yeah. So you're staying here over Christmas, and
Yeah.
so how about, because this video is getting released just before New Year's? What are you gonna do for New Year's? You're gonna be in Thailand?
Yes.
Yeah.
We want to go to
Koh Tao.
Koh, yeah.
Oh wow! It's gonna be a big party going on there, I'm sure.
We hope so.
Nice one. Hey, do you have any bad experiences? We're also looking at the worst thing that happened to people here in Thailand.
The food?
Our friend. Well,
He
the
had
food.
stomach
He's got problems.
Yeah.
For like the whole time,
Right.
almost the whole time.
Where's she now?
At home.
Well, in Germany, you mean?
No,
here,
in
no.
Koh Lanta, just staying at the
What
apartment.
did you eat?
In Bangkok, we started with
Yeah.
fried rice and
And she like it started with this and
Yeah.
then just got worse.
Yeah.
Like he vomited and
Ah.
it's got like
Okay.
diarrhea. And stuff.
Yeah. Okay, but to you, nothing bad happened?
No.
Nice.
everything is perfect.
Feeling safe. I'm always looking like when I'm talking to young ladies in Thailand traveling. I always ask if they feel safe or not.
Yeah,
Do you think
really.
Thailand is a safe country?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
You feel really comfortable and I think so.
Okay. Thank you so much. Do you have any advice for people that are coming to Thailand for the first time?
Like don't underestimate the prices
Oh.
of the local transportation
Okay.
stuff, like the ferries.
really
We're
expensive.
traveling very low budget, and like sleeping is the sleeping accommodations are okay,
Yeah.
but like the ferries are
Ah.
pricey
Yeah.
for us.
Okay.
Low
when you know it's
budget.
really, really
Yeah.
expensive,
But any advice? Just like talk to the local people and go to the night markets.
Yeah.
Don't go to the fancy stuff, so you get to know
try
the local life.
local food. It's really, really good.
Yeah. Do you have a message to the world?
You should travel because it's really, really beautiful,
Yeah.
and so you can see the whole world. And
Okay.
yeah,
Okay,
You've
we're
got
gonna travel.
the opportunity.
Yeah.
Get to know the world at a young age. It's fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, good luck with carrying on doing that. I forgot to ask one more question. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Oh, I don't have any.
no,
just
not really.
they don't work out anyway for me. So
Okay.
every time I have a resolution and it's like 1 month later.
Yeah.
I
Do
skip
what
it.
you want.
Yes. Do what makes you
And
happy.
yeah. And travel with your friends. It's really
Yeah.
Spend time with family and friends.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Oh, you were a tourist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
About a week now
In Thailand or in Koh Lanta?
in Thailand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you like it? And
It's been great. We just got to the south, but all of Thailand has been great so far. The people are very friendly, very nice.
Yeah.
And it's been very good.
is this your first time?
Yes, first time in Thailand.
Ah.
First time in Asia. Yeah.
Okay. Ah,
Yeah.
cool. So, what's the best thing so far in Thailand? We're after the best moments.
The food so far
Yeah?
has been a highlight, especially in the north.
Yeah.
A lot of really good dishes, good
Nice.
meals. Yeah.
Have you tasted the cow soy?
I have. I've
Yeah.
tasted many khao sois.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My favorite, or one of my favorites anyway. Hey, so we also after the worst things that are happening in Thailand. Do you have any bad experiences?
So far, everything's been good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good to hear. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Start exercising a little bit more.
What's your
Yeah.
name and where are you from?
My name is Mayan, and I'm not sure where I'm from anymore, but I was born in Israel and I moved to Holland, and I live in Koh Lanta for many years.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are a business owner, a wife, 2 children, and you also have a YouTube channel.
I have many things.
You have a lot of
Yeah.
things,
Yeah,
yeah.
I
And
have
probably
many things going on.
plenty more, plenty
Yeah.
more. Hey, so we're after the
Yeah.
best things and the worst things of Thailand. What's one of your best moments, I'd say?
The best and the worst of Thailand.
Your
Yeah.
personal experiences.
Yeah, that's so difficult for me because I live here already like more than 12 years.
Yeah.
So if you ask me the best moments, so many moments like come through my mind.
yeah.
So is it like the best traveling moment, or what I love the most about Thailand, or?
What makes you the most happy here in Thailand, maybe? That's a better question then.
Yeah, I think I have to say it's just what everybody says. It's the weather, it's the nature, and it's the good people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like life is very slow. People are so friendly. They have like time for you. They're very genuine, and yeah, it's just a very lovely place to be.
Yeah.
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 And then you know already the worst thing we are after as well. Did anything bad happen in these 12 years? I cannot imagine that nothing bad happened, you know? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, I think like bad things happen, but it's all about how you deal with them, you know? So for example, like I met my husband Mon, he's Thai, in 2011.
Yeah.
And 2 months after we met, we went to a full moon party together.
yeah?
And that was on my 30th birthday. And then I put my bag just next to me.
Yeah.
And then I talked to somebody, and the next moment my bag was gone.
Oh no.
Yeah, and it was like my phone was in there, my camera, my bikini, my money, a lot of money. I don't know
Yeah.
why I was carrying a lot of money.
Oh, no.
And everything was gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, on my birthday, on my 30th birthday.
Whoa.
So,
So what did you do? Like what was the first thing after you found out? You were drunk probably or something?
the first thing after I found out is like
You were
look
partying,
around.
right?
Yeah, we were partying. We were at full moon party in Kopangan.
Yeah.
Our last party in life, I think.
Okay.
Before we had kids. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so I'm looking for it, but yeah, the bag was gone. Somebody just wanted to steal my bag, you know?
Yeah. Did you see?
But I was on my 30th birthday, a full moon party, so I had to keep on partying. Like what can I do? Like my phone was gone, everything was gone, and I would have to deal with it later. Right? So
Okay.
so that's what I mean. Like it wasn't a good experience, but finally, like the whole week we walked without. Oh, my flip flops were also gone. So I kept the rest of the week without flip flops.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I got over it, you know?
Yeah.
Money, phone, cameras. Like
yeah.
when you're not a YouTuber, it's not that terrible at that time, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay. So things got stolen of you. That's the worst thing that happened.
probably not the worst thing that happened, right? I'm not sure, to be honest. Like I would have to go back and
Yeah.
and play again
Yeah.
the film, the movie of my life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing that as well on your channel a lot. You're
Yeah.
also showing a lot of different love stories, etc. Other
Right.
people's love stories. But there are also quite a few videos already that giving a lot away from your life. So we're gonna have to
Right.
check it out.
Yeah, check out my channel, Sweet Life Lanta,
Yeah.
with stories from Koh Lanta, stories of beautiful people, and a bit of family vlogging.
And also behind the scenes of Chai Travel, you're doing a day alive.
Today I'm doing
Yeah.
a day in the life of Chai Travel, the YouTuber, the famous YouTuber, travel vlogger. So come to my channel, Sweet Life Lanta, and watch it. But I'm not sure when I'm gonna post it because juggling too many things at the moment.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll wait for it. We always end with some wisdom. Do you have a message to the world
Right.
or some wisdom to pass on?
Right. Be happy when you can,
Okay. Thanks.
and be sad when you have to.
Yeah.
That's fine too.
Okay. The best and the worst moments in Thailand. I have mine as well. I won't talk about this in this episode. I'll definitely talk about it a little bit in later episodes. But for this one, yeah, I like to focus on the other people. Hey champs, before I got killed, I'm standing here on a crossroad here in Lanta, Old Town. I would like to call out the champ of the day. This is Dick White. Thank you so much for watching. I think he's watching from Turkey. How to become a champ of the day and how to become a super champ. I described that in the description. Happy New Year's, ladies and gentlemen. Make the most of it. Party hard. And hopefully I'll see you healthy and happy in 2023. I would like to say from the south of Thailand on a tropical island called Koh Lanta, bye for now and stay champ.